Okay, so in this question, James and Anna share £20 in the ratio of 3 to 2. So James gets 3 for every £2 that Anna gets. So if you think about this as piles of money, James gets 3 of these piles of money and Anna gets 2 of the piles of money. So how many piles are there in total? Well, what we do is we do £20 divided by the amount of piles that we want. We want 5 piles. So that's 4. So each pile is going to have £4 in it. Now if James has 3 piles, he's going to have, so James has 3 piles, so he's going to have 3 lots of £4, which is £12. Anna is going to have 2 of those piles, so 2 lots of the £4, so she's going to have £8. So James has 12 and Anna has 8. We can check that. First of all, James has more than Anna. Well, James has £12, Anna has 8. Secondly, there's £20 in total. So 12 plus 8 is 20. So chances are, with these simple checks, we know we've probably got the right answer.